Here in central Illinois, backup power isn't a luxury, it's a necessity. Backup generators keep our homes and farms powered during outages. But what happens when your generator stops working? Let's talk about something most people don't think about until it's too late. The cost of generator repairs. The cost to repair a generator can vary widely depending on the issue. Here's what we typically see. Battery replacements and fuel system repairs can be a few $100s. Where starter or alternator issues and complete engine failure can be thousands. And beyond the cost, there's the wait for parts, the service calls, and worst of all, downtime when you need power the most. That's why we do things differently here at JD Belcher. Our electric generators are built with reliability and simplicity in mind, meaning fewer moving parts, fewer things that can go wrong, and dramatically lower maintenance needs. Whether you need a new generator installed, an existing unit repaired, or would like ongoing maintenance, we are here to help. Call JD Belcher today and get your free quote.